Welcome to Metron One. Metron One is a tool that allows to furnish different rooms within a same project. Set a client, a reference, and select the furniture manufacturer you would like to deal with. Plan your room. And lay out the items of the first furniture collection. Save and go back to Metron One. Add an estimate to the project and select the second furniture collection you would like to work with. At the project's subsequent access, you will find the complete architectural setting and the furnishings laid previously. Lay out the pieces of furniture of the second manufacturer. Save and go back to Metron One. Add to the project an estimate for the third furniture collection. And complete with furnishings. Save and go back to Metron One. Straight from Metron One, you can process your project with T-Rend and Virtuo to present it with a highly captivating and engaging impact. Metron One.